today is the end of day 22. I got that there, much of the deck, back deck framed, as you've seen on time lapse. Or as you will see on time lapse. So basically, to go over what I did in the morning is I framed in this here floor, insulated all that underneath there. Just put in a ceiling. Then what I did is I came through and did, this is a recessed fridge. That was easy. Then I did all my sills. So that means these three little jacks, trimmer studs, whatever you want to call them, and the sills. This one, like all my interior doors, I framed in the top sill. Also did that set of steps up into the, that's the pantry. This is the sunken entrance off the garage. Did this other set of stairs right here. Drywall backing. About 6 months ago I started using plywood. So that's 3/4 inch plywood there. I don't know, cheap I guess. It's available, works great, gives tons of them room for them to screw into. So that's what I did. Got a point load here. Got to carry it up. This is that vaulted ceiling up in the master suite. There's that 3-ply girder. So I have to carry that down all the way to the foundation. Windy today, really windy. But overall, very good day. See if I can get a view of the Rockies through that window. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate you watching. Yeah, just thank you. Very grateful. Have a good night or day whenever you see the video, and you take care. Bye.